and let's get into it. What's good, YouTube? Back with another banger. Coming in first with our Babyliss Pro trimmer, making our first guideline for this high taper. And I've been really eager to bring you guys this tutorial because this client somewhat has similarities to Sir Cruz the Waver. If you're a part of the waver community on YouTube or the barber community on YouTube, you know exactly who I'm talking about, but he no longer has waves. But there I was debunking the situation. Now I'm coming back, no guard, lever fully open, going up about half an inch, securing the first guideline so we can cash out this taper. Pretty much just staying consistent, ensuring that I'm gonna cash out this high taper, this Sir Cruz taper. That's what I'm gonna call it. Hint, hint. Flicking my lever halfway closed, soften up the situation, becoming an artist, being real grainy, staying consistent with my strokes. So then I'm gonna go in with the lever fully closed and knock out that bottom line. As you can see, we did work on that bottom line. We knocked it up out of there. Now we're gonna go in with the slimiest guard of them all, that one guard, lever fully closed, going up half an inch, staying consistent, brushing it down. We're gonna open the lever back up and go knock out the rest of the situation, securing this Kash taper. And you know, always I must give this shout out to the sensei, the beam team. Brush one, fade one, brush one, fade one. Stay consistent and you will achieve the desired outcome. And hold up, all right? Let me make this clear. 360's Jeezy is second to none either. They both hold the same weight to me. It's just simply, if I never seen a 360's Jeezy video, I would have never seen a Get Beam video. And peep the corners, peep how I use the corner of that blade, peep the corner work. Now back to it. I would have never seen a Get Beam video. It's just we latch on to people who are more similar to us. Like maybe like the speaking flow, the dynamic of how he presses his words out, how he says certain things. That's kind of more of my speed. But don't get me wrong, I'm going to intertwine the two. I'm going to get more on that 360 vibe also because I got skits coming. Everything's going to be me, but we learn from the greats and we incorporate it and become better. No guard, lever fully open, corner play, knocking out that guideline that I made with the guard fully open in the beginning that didn't come out completely with the 0.5. Next I'm going in, debunking the situation on the neck taper so we could go ahead and you know what I'm going to say, cash them out. Moving in with the Pissed Off Barber trimmer, making our first guideline on this neck taper. Spinning the block with our Pissed Off Barber clipper, going up 1 inch, lever fully open, making our first guideline, securing the situation. And as soon as I set that guideline, I immediately follow that up with the lever halfway closed, softening it up. Then I close it fully, knocking out that guideline, preparing for the next step on this Kash taper. Like always, we always have to bring back this slimiest guard of them all, that one guard, lever fully closed, going up 1 inch, making our next guideline, securing the situation. The reason why I say the one guard is the slimiest of them all, because for me personally, that's why I do a lot of the work. That's why I get gritty with it. Also without the one guard off, actually with no guard period, lever fully open, in and out, that's when I start freaking it every which way, like MJ, that's when I get crazy. But that one guard, go crazy. Lever position to fully open, trimming the hedges. And just like a sunrise, this thing is slowly but surely coming together and setting in easy like a Sunday morning. Like always, you know I got a banger for you. Here's Numb by Trado 2 times. Let's rock out.
I'm forever on that trend, baby shit, that's why I'm scratching from the mud. Ain't nobody ever gave me shit, ain't wanna show me love. I had to go and get it by myself, so don't you claim me none. I hit the club, I know they think I'm...
Whoa. Hey, and light your fire too, cause this some heat. And like always, what we do to one side, we must do to the other. Rock out.
You say so, better watch that tongue, cause if you speak on shit you had no business, you be free to, ayy. My heart been colder than the bitch lately, I think I need a son. I'm just trying to walk a bitch daily, cause they ain't really none. Niggas say you fuck my bitch, well hey, she ain't really mine. Shit, I just beat her for their head and let you eat and wine and dine. I heard them pussies speaking on my dog, but they ain't laying low. I heard I hit up in the head, I ain't even get crawl. Really stepping by this double G and spinning by be a fraud. I started off, I'm popping off, I knock them off and kill them all. Boy, how you hate me cause yo shot you, man, cause she be fucking. Oh, she told you I don't play with boys, told you I be clutching. If she mentioned all my partner carry on just like they rush, I might have a little you hit you from a distance with that much. On that trend, baby shit, that's why I'm scratching from the mud. Ain't nobody ever gave me shit, ain't wanna show me love. I had to go and get it by myself, so don't you claim me none. I hit the club, I know they think I'm lonely, bitch I got these guns. I don't do this shit, I do for views and swear it ain't for fun. I know money talking, I got brothers locked who need a bun. Yeah, it's some power in the words you say, so better watch that tongue, cause if you speak on shit you had no business, you be free to trying to cope and talk to God, but then I be like fuck it. Every time them niggas going live, I'm trying to kick they bucket. Make a nigga hit his knees and beg and plead to trade lucky. I ain't never like these niggas from the start on Uncle Records. If you know you got no reason in them, boy, then don't you touch it. It's discussions that get touched, come with major repercussions. The best advice that I can give you is to never speak the subject. I've been waiting on the former just to send a dot of rush. My heart been clicking up with who got money, acting like they muppets. They just trying to leech up all they mans and pop out every front. Swear I'm just trying to get it out the mud and standing on my knuckles. I'm just trying to stack it up like lazy and never have to suffer. I'm forever on that trend, baby shit, that's why I'm scratching from the mud. Ain't nobody ever gave me shit, ain't wanna show me love. I had to go and get it by myself, so don't you claim me none. I hit the club, I know they think I'm lonely, bitch I got these guns.
Trado 2 times with Numb, another banger. And as always, we about to get back into this cut and continue to cash out this taper. Using the pissed off barber trimmer to further bald out that high taper, follow that up with the lever fully open, knocking out that last guideline, freaking it every which way like MJ and cashing them out. Back in with our 0.5 slime green guard attachment, leveling the playing field for this Kash lineup. Pressing the line with our got to be glue hairspray, follow that up with our blow dryer, locking everything in, ensuring that no stragglers will be on the move as we begin to cut down the opposition. Moving in with the Babyliss Pro trimmer, center mass, working that thing left to right to the corners, getting ready to secure our vertical bars. Stay consistent. Understand that you decide the outcome and you will achieve the desirable outcome. And it ain't no party if we don't bring Termisha to the party. Like always, she always gonna pop out. I think I got a thing for it, so I bring her to every cut, every function. Staying consistent, lightly tapping at that neck, the baseline, bringing that neck taper together, and like always, easy, like a Sunday morning. And remember, Kash family, all you need is the corner when you playing and working up around that ear. I wouldn't be a swordsman if I didn't bring out that katana on the Wu-Tang style. Like always, protect your neck.
Gilly made the beat with some heat, boy.
Coming in hot with our Tent Nation color enhancement. Using our Tent Nation color enhancement as a base, following that up with our Topic black hair fibers, securing the situation. Spinning the block with our Babbler's Pro Trimmer, knocking off any excess fibers. And you gotta hear me talk my talk. I'm in that mode. I'm cashing him out. This is real art in motion. This is Picasso-like. This is the Mona Lisa, the Himalisa, Himothy Jones, Himothy Kash, all that, whatever you want to call it. I'm gonna talk my talk, because as you can see, everything is coming together. And I cashed him out. And we not even done yet. Now I got to be glue-free spray, locking in them fibers, getting ready to come back with that blow dry, Miss Remy, to set it off. We are sketching them up with our magic barber pencil, color light brown, using it to contour and add that pop to the lineup. Let's give it up one more time for Numb by Trado 2 times. Let's rock out.
Forever on that trend, baby shit, that's why I'm scratching from the mud. Ain't nobody ever gave me shit, ain't wanna show me love. I had to go and get it by myself, so don't you claim me none. I hit the club, I know they think I'm long, bitch, I got these guns.
Keep it steady with that katana.
I know money talking, I got brothers locked who need a bun. Yeah, some power in the words you say, so better watch that tongue. Cause if you speak on shit you had no business, you be free to, ayy. My heart been colder than the bitch lately, I think I need a son. I'm just trying to walk a bitch daily, cause they ain't really none. Niggas say fuck my bitch, well hey, she ain't really mine. Shit, I just beat her for their head and let you eat and wine and dine. I heard them pussies speaking on my dog, but they ain't laying low. I heard got hit up in the head, I ain't even get to crawl. Really stepping by this double G and spinning by being fraud. I started off, I'm popping off, I knock them off and kill them all. Boy, how you hate me cause your shot you mad cause she be fucking. Oh, she told you I don't play with boys, she told you I be clutching.
YouTube, this is the cut, and like always, we cash them out. Please like, share, and subscribe for more.
I had to go and get it by myself, so don't you claim me none. I hit the club, I know they think I'm long, bitch, I got these guns. I don't do this shit, I do for views, and swear it ain't for fun. I know money talking, I got brothers locked who need a bun. Yeah, some power in the words you say, so better watch that tongue. Cause if you speak on shit you had no business, you be free to trying to cope and talk to God.